Yes, welcome. How's everyone doing? My name is Von K. I am going to literally make a video based on my knotless braids. Don't watch it right now because it's been in my hair for about 2 weeks now. But yeah, I'll get into that in a minute. I just want to find out, how are you guys doing? How y'all doing? How are you coping with this coronavirus? I hope y'all staying at home. Hope y'all staying safe. Because I've actually heard like horror stories. I know of people that have got it and they've gotten better and vice versa. So I really pray that you guys stay safe. In the name of the Lord Jesus Christ, I bless y'all and your family, that this coronavirus doesn't that you guys don't go through it, if you get what I mean. And yeah, man, let's say bless up still. But yeah, so within this video I'm going to attach the of course I'm going to attach me doing the braids. But the thing is, with that video the quality won't be as good because when I was recording it, obviously me still learning, I recorded it in the portrait instead of doing it landscape. So I'm not sure if you'll still be able to see the video. I had to cut a few bits and pieces off so that you guys don't get bored. And my aim is to not make my video long, because I know that when I'm watching YouTube videos, I don't like it to be long. I like it to be straightforward, to the point, bye boom. So yeah, that's my aim with my YouTube channel, is to go straight to the point with everything that I'm going to do, but at the same time enough info that you know what you're doing. So yeah, so I'm going to attach that video to this and yeah, let you guys see the journey, so that those that actually want to learn how to do it, I've done it in a way that you can pick it up. Hopefully you can pick it up. And yeah, so yeah guys, enjoy the video. I hope you guys stay safe and you know bless up man. But yeah guys, don't forget to like, share my video, subscribe on this bad boy. And I also want to say thank you to all of those that have literally been liking my video, sharing my video, that you guys have been showing me the love and I receive it, man. Nah man, it's not easy, this YouTube and stuff, it's not easy. But anyways, yeah, thank you all, and yeah, keep watching. I'm basically doing the knotless braids. I know you can't really see it properly. It's just been pretty hard because it's like the first time we're doing it, and then like having to kind of feed in the hair could be kind of difficult. Like I'm literally bending like that. But anyways, just before I record it and show you guys how I've been doing it, and yeah, so the hair's already stretched out, taking it like that amount each time and just kind of like feeding it through. I wish I kind of started showing you how I got through the back. I just thought, let me get the back done and let me get it up to obviously where I am now, and then I can like video record the rest and then show you guys how I was able to basically achieve the look. I'm not going to record every single step, but I will make sure that I record enough that you don't get bored and you also get the gist of how to do the feeding braids or the knotless braid. Yeah, so get started now. I'm just gonna separate a bit more in terms of the hair. And because it's quarantine, I'm using the gummy styling wax hard finish, I think, yeah, extra. So I'm gonna use, I prefer these to the others, so I'm gonna use this and then I'll show you how I'm connecting it. So kind of separate it. And now I'm just gonna place some here. So yeah, so I've just placed some at the top, at the sides, and everything else. You can also place them at the bottom as well if you want. But I don't want my hair too greasy. It's not a fan of grease as it is. But this is edge control, so I'm fine with it. And since I've done that, or once I've done that, I will then just split that into 3. Like 1, 2, 3. I hope you can see it. So I've done that. Just so I can get back my grip, I'm gonna redo it. Yeah. Everyone obviously grips differently. Yeah. And then I start to have the hair. Just literally kind of throw it over, connect it. That's one. And then I pick this side and then, yeah. And again, throw it over, and then just kind of connect this side to the bottom. Okay. And then put that out, side, and then once again put that to that. I wish I had a better lighting than what I have now. And then once again, flip that over, connect that to that. Hopefully you can see it better this way. And then same thing, bring that forward. And I connect that back in there. Yeah. And you just kind of keep doing it until you're satisfied. The sides. Once again, pull that over, connect that with the back, and then bring that forward. Now this guy should just keep doing it. One more time. Pull over, connect. And I feel like whilst you're doing that as well, just make sure that your cameras are flat as well. And then I usually turn mine this way just so that I can see it properly. And then I start flattening down. If you want, you can add a bit of gel or grease just to kind of smoothen it. You get that smooth look. So that nothing sticks out whilst you're applying. And so I get there again, and I can connect once more. Just gonna pat it down. There is something that I do want to show you guys quickly, because with some I've left like bits out, and the reason for that is I'm going to curl these beads. I'm going to curl it. So I'm going to show you how I've done that now, so that I I've kind of covered everything. So I'm gonna get one now. Yeah. Place that in. Yeah. And this one, I'm just kind of put that across and just right down. So you pull that away, move that away. And okay. I guess it does take practice, but you kind of get the gist of it as you keep on doing it. And it's pretty easy. I think I'm only saying it's pretty easy because even though it's my first time doing it, I'm used to doing braids and like cameras and stuff. So and feeding braids is quite. I feel like if you know how to do feeding braids, then you definitely get this. It's practically the same thing. Yeah. So that's it for my video, and if you want to know more, I feel like next time I will definitely record with my ring light, because I don't know if you guys really saw that. I'm going to edit it as much as I can so that it's clear enough for you to get it. Yeah, so I'm going to go back with my hair, finishing it. It doesn't look that neat because first of all I'm using black hair and my hair is like 1B or color 2. So yeah, we'll see how it turns out anyway. So just don't have the patience to make it really small, but you'll see. I'm making it like quite long though. So I've left some bits out because I'm gonna like curl it, but can't wait for it to be done. So finally my hair is done. I just need to obviously like curl these bits and like trim this, move it without me feeling so much pain. Like if it was like the other braids, like if it was like normal braids, I would feel so much pain. It's a song wanting. Love is a drug and I'm addicted. Pull up, show up and handle business. Love is a drug and I'm addicted.